Good day, Kuya Mike nga pala. So, welcome back sa YouTube channel natin. So, in this video, pag-uusapan natin ay kung paano gumawa ng multiple choice test. Dahil yung test na ito ang pinakang in-demand at kinakailangan ng mga schools at mga teachers sa classroom para i-test nila yung kanilang mga estudyante because this is reliable test kaysa sa ibang mga types of test like essay, short answer, multiple yung false, true or false, yung matching type, and etc. So kung gusto mong matutunan kung paano gumawa ng multiple choice test which is in demand sa mga panahon natin ngayon, stay tuned dahil pag-uusapan natin yan in detail pagkatapos ng intro. So, dito tayo ngayon guys sa ginawa or sa na-research ko na kung paano gagawa ng multiple choice test items. So, kasi ito na yung future ng education, yung paggawa ng multiple choice test items. Okay? Mahalaga to dahil ito yung pinakamagandang forms or form of test para examine natin yung mga estudyante natin. So wala nang iba kundi yung multiple choice test. When we say multiple choice, meron silang pagpipilian. Parang letter A to C or letter A to D or maaaring hanggang letter E. So commonly, gumagamit tayo ng 4 choices sa multiple choice. So nakalagay nga sa quotation dito, almost any well-defined cognitive objective can be tested fairly in a multiple choice format. So kasi itong multiple choice is fair siya. Kung ano lang yung gusto mong malaman, yun yung lalabas sa exam. Kaya it says here, objective can be tested fairly in a multiple choice format. So sa mga teacher na hindi pa marunong gumawa ng multiple choice exam or test, kailangan yung matutunan to dahil ito nga yung future. Kasi alam ko na halos bawal nang gumawa ng ibang forms of test. Pwede yon sa pang-araw-araw na quizzes, exam. Pero sa mga periodical exam or sa mga semester, pagka i-summative test na natin sila, kailangan nating mag-float ng multiple choice na examination. Okay, so sabi dito, the multiple choice item consists of the STEM, which identifies the question or problem and the response alternatives or choices. Usually, students are asked to select the one alternative that best completes a statement or answers a question. So, mamaya tayo punta sa example. So dito, yung STEM natin, yun na mismo yung question natin. So, another term for question is yung STEM. So, meron din dito yung alternatives or choices ang tawag natin. So, yung mga may example dito para maintindihan natin. Item STEM. Which of the following is a chemical change? So, ito naman yung response alternatives. A. Evaporation of alcohol. B. Freezing of water. C. Burning of oil. D. Melting of wax. So, yun yung example ng nandito sa atin ngayon na ang tamang sagot dito ay letter C. So multiple choice items are considered to be among the most versatile of all item types. They can be used to test factual recall as well as levels of understanding and ability to apply learning. As an example, the multiple choice item below is testing not only information recall but also the ability to use judgment in analyzing and evaluating. So sa Bloom's taxonomy nga, mamaya i-discuss ko yon yung sa Bloom's taxonomy na ang nire-recall nga natin or sa Bloom's taxonomy, meron tayong tinatawag na yung mga level of understanding, level of thinking, which is sa multiple choice na a-assess dito yung higher order thinking skills natin. So if we go back, punta muna tayo dito. Okay, if we go back to here, okay, knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, evaluation. So yan yung mga i-assess natin sa mga students natin. So punta tayo sa knowledge and comprehension. Kasi yung knowledge and comprehension is considered or categorized as the low order thinking skills or LOTS. While on the other hand, application, analysis, synthesis, evaluation is considered as or categorized as the HOTS or higher order thinking skills. Yung mga bata nakakapag-isip ng hindi gaano sa knowledge and comprehension lang. While on the other hand, yung apat na nalalabi, yung application, analysis, synthesis, evaluation, doon nakakapag-isip ng mas mabuti yung mga bata. So, ito yung nakalagay sa Bloom's taxonomy, which is yung yung mnemonics natin ay KKASE. Okay, para mas ma-memorize natin ng mabilis. So, for example, ng tanong sa mga law, order thinking skills, okay, sa LOTS. So, dito, recognizing, sa knowledge, recognizing and recalling information including dates, events, persons, places, terms, definitions, facts, principles, theories, methods, and procedures. So, dito, i-recall lang ng bata. So, knowledge lang yun, mababaw lang yun kasi i-memorize lang nila sa books. Okay, sample question, frames. So, kapag gagawa kayo ng multiple choice test, pwede nyong ilagay sa knowledge ito. Ito yung mga starting words para sa knowledge item, okay? Who invented the blank? What is meant by blank? Where is the blank? Sa comprehension naman, another LOTS, okay, low order thinking skills. Restate in your own words, convert fractions into, list 3 reasons for. So, yun yung mga for comprehension. Punta naman tayo sa mga higher level thinking skills na kagaya ng sinasabi ko kanina. So, application, applying general rules, methods, or principles to a new situation, including classifying something as a specific example of a general principle or using a formula to solve a problem. So, application ito, guys. So, ito naman yung example ng paggawa ng question niya. How is blank an example of blank? Ganun tayo mag-start ng tanong. How is blank related to blank? Why is blank significant? So, dito, hindi nakalagay sa libro yung sagot. Hindi i-memorize yung sagot, kundi ikaw mismo yung magfo-formulate. Ikaw mismo yung gagawa ng paraan paano mo siya mai-apply sa totoong buhay. Okay? Next is analysis. Identifying the organization and patterns within a system by identifying its component parts and the relationships among the components. So, ganito naman tayo mag-start ng tanong dyan. What are the parts of blank? Classify blank according to blank. Outline diagram blank. O kasi mag-a-analyze tayo dyan. So, synthesis naman. Discovering and creating new connections, generalizations, patterns, or perspectives, combining ideas to form a new whole. Ganito naman tayo mag-start pag magtatanong tayo. What would you infer from? What ideas can you add to? How would you create blank? So, ganun siya. Lastly, evaluation. Using evidence and reasoned argument to judge how well a proposal would accomplish a particular purpose. Resolving controversies or differences of opinion. So, for example, do you agree? Ikaw mismo yung mag-judge. How would you decide about? Judge mo na naman yan. What priority would you give? Okay, so yun po yung Bloom's taxonomy po natin na kung saan na dyan dapat nakabase yung multiple choice item or questions natin para ma-train natin yung utak or ma-assess natin yung mga utak ng mga estudyante natin sa low order thinking skills at sa higher order thinking skills ng mga bata natin. So, mas maganda kung mas marami yung HOTS kesa sa LOTS. Okay, dahil mas natitrain yung isip ng mga bata sa HOTS or higher order thinking skills. So, going back dun sa pinag-uusapan natin. Okay. So, multiple choice tests can be used to test the ability to recall, memorize information. Number 2, recall theory to routine cases. 3, apply theory to novel situations. 4, use judgment in analyzing and evaluating. So for example dito, 1 only, B, 1 and 2 only, C, 1, 2, 3 only. Pinapakita lang dito kung paano nag-work yung multiple choice na pwede mo siyang gawing ganito. Okay? So sa section summary tayo, good for application, synthesis, analysis, and evaluation level. So hats nga po yung multiple choice. Sa types naman, questions, right answer, incomplete statement, best answer. Advantages po nito, very effective yung multiple choice, versatile at all levels, minimum of writing for students. Hindi na magusulat yung mga bata, yung mga estudyante natin. Guessing reduce, hindi na sila manghuhula ng kung ano-ano dahil ando doon na mismo yung sagot sa multiple choice, and then nahanapin na lang nila kung ano yung tamang sagot. Can cover broad range of content. So kahit halos lahat ng content pwedeng gawin sa multiple choice. Ang disadvantages lang nito ay difficult to construct good test items. Hindi na po problema ng mga bata yun, kundi sa teacher po yun. Difficult to come up with plausible distractors, alternative responses. So yung distractors natin sa paggawa ng mga choices, doon kasi tayo nahihirapan mga teacher dahil halos madaldalian lang yung mga estudyante natin. Kaya nga meron tayong tinatawag na test run. Ipapa-exam muna natin sa ibang estudyante. Tapos i-eliminate natin yung mga unreliable, mga invalid mga item. Tapos yung mga magagandang items, yun yung kukunin natin. Tapos yun yung ipapa-exam natin sa susunod. Kaya nga sa board exam guys, kung mapapansin ninyo, paulit-ulit yung tanong. Parang na-review na natin ng mga nahuling araw ng mga review centers na pinasukan natin bago tayo mag-board. Kasi nga, reliable yung mga questions na yun. But, dahil nga andun yun sa test bank ng PRC, kaya nakakakuha tayo ng mga leakage. Kaya doon, bumababa pa rin yung mga quality na pumapasa sa board exam dahil nga may mga leakage. So, hindi na natin first time na encounter yung question, kundi narasyo pa natin yun sa mga review centers o tayo mismo. Anyways, okay, may mga suggestion dito how to write a multiple choice test items. So, when possible, number 1, when possible, state the STEM as a direct question rather than as an incomplete statement. For example, dito, undesirable. Ito yung pangit. Alloys are ordinarily produced by. Desirable. How are alloys ordinarily produced? So, kailangan ng ganito yung pag-present. Okay, next. Present a definite, explicit, and singular question or problem in the STEM. Psychology, blank. Desirable, the science of mind and behavior is called. Okay, so hindi psychology, blah blah blah, pero mas specific dapat. 3. Eliminate excessive verbiage or irrelevant information from the STEM. While ironing sa undesirable tayo, while ironing her formal, Jane burned her hand accidentally on the hot iron. This was due to a transfer of heat between. So desirable, mas maganda to. Which of the following ways of heat transfer explains why Jane's hand was burned after she touched a hot iron? Number 4, include in the STEM any word or words that might otherwise be repeated in each alternative. So unreliable or undesirable. In national elections in the United States, the president is officially A. Chosen by the people, B. Chosen by the members of Congress, C. Chosen by the House of Representatives, D. Chosen by Electoral College. Letter D yung sagot. Pero desirable, mas maganda. In national elections in the United States, the president is officially chosen by letter D, the Electoral College. Okay, so ganun lang siya. Okay, number 5 muna. Use negatively stated stems sparingly. When use underline and or capitalize the negative words, for example, undesirable, which of the following is not cited as an accomplishment of the Kennedy administration? Desirable, which of the following is not cited as an accomplishment of the Kennedy administration? So make all alternatives plausible and attractive to the less knowledgeable or skillful student. Example, ito yung hindi dapat gawin. What process is most nearly the opposite of photosynthesis? Digestion, assimilation, respiration. D. Catabolism. So letter C ang sagot dito. Pero dapat ganito yung gagawin natin. Desirable, what process is most nearly the opposite of photosynthesis? Digestion, relaxation, respiration, exertion. Okay, letter C ang sagot. Okay, last 2 items. Basahin na natin. Make the alternatives mutually exclusive. So, undesirable. The daily minimum required amount of milk that a 10-year-old child should drink is... Pangit to, yung merong ibang sagot. Okay? A, 1 to 2 glasses. B, 2 to 3 glasses. C, 3 to 4 glasses. D, at least 4 glasses. Desirable. What is the daily minimum required amount of milk a 10-year-old child should drink? 1 glass, 2 glasses, 3 glasses, 4 glasses. So, mas maganda yung merong specific na sagot. Okay? Lastly, make alternatives appropriately equal in length. Undesirable, the most general cause of low individual incomes in the United States is lack of valuable productive services to sell, unwillingness to work, automation, inflation. So desirable, what is the most general cause of low individual incomes in the United States? A lack of valuable productive services to sell, the population's overall unwillingness to work, the nation's increased reliance on automation, an increased national level of inflation. So halos dapat gawin mong equal in length kasi nga yung mga bata alam nila kapag mahaba, yun ang sagot. Okay. So nakalagay sa box dito na multiple choice exams provide easier conditions for cheating than essay tests since single letters or numbers are easier to see than extensive tests. Cheating can be minimized by using alternative test forms and controlling seating. So kayo na yung bahala guys sa pag-distribute ng multiple choice papers or test papers ninyo. So, yun yung maisasuggest ko sa paggawa natin ng multiple choice test. At yun din yung pine-prefer ko or sinasuggest ko or ina-encourage ko yung mga teachers na nanonood nito na gumawa ng multiple choice test. Sanayin nyo yung sarili nyo. Nang sa ganun ay maging competent teacher kayo with regards to testing your students. So, kailangan natin to kasi nga ito na yung future ng testing, ng examining. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood. Muli, this is Kuya Mhike. Alam ko na medyo natuto kayo kung paano gumawa ng multiple choice test. At note pala no, sa mga sinabi ko kanina about sa lesson sa paggawa ng multiple choice test, hindi ko nabanggit na kasama dito yung kailangan natin na yung face validity ng ating exam or ng ating test paper. Dapat malinis yung test paper. Dapat error free with regards to yung mga letterings, yung wordings, kasi mamaya baka wrong spelling yan, yun na yung maisip ng mga estudyante natin. And also yung pagkakaayos-ayos, yung format ng ating mga test papers. Kung ikaw ay hindi gaanong techie sa pag-aayos, pwede kang humingi ng tulong. Kesa naman, sinarili mo yung gawain, tapos if-inload mo yung questionnaire, tinatawanan ka ng estudyante mo, mas bangit yun. So, mas maganda na lang na tiyagain mo na humanap ng isang mabata-bata sa'yo na medyo techie at ayusin yung format. Ikaw yung content, sa kanya yung format. Anyways, kanya-kanyang diskarte yan bilang mga teacher. So, maraming salamat muli sa pagsuporta sa channel ni Kuya Mhike, ang channel natin. So, ako nga pala ulit si Kuya Mhike. Para sa mga bagong manonood natin, gumagawa ako ng videos twice a week. Tuwing Tuesday and Friday ako nag-a-upload. At kung ayaw mo ma-miss yung mga videos natin, ay hit mo na yung subscribe button, pati na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify kita sa mga susunod na uploads ko kagaya nito. And kung nagustuhan mo nga yung video, ay pakiclick mo na rin yung like at pakishare mo na rin sa mga kamag-anak mo, kakilala mo ang video na to para mas marami pang matuto na mga kagaya nating mga guro para maging quality yung mga ginagawa natin sa araw-araw na buhay natin sa classroom at sa labas ng classroom. Maraming salamat. God bless. This is Kuya Mhike. Once again, peace.